Okay, so I just want to come on and do a quick video. I got my BURSTCON toothbrush, and you want to replace the heads every 90 days. So you just pop one off. Make sure you clean, this area. Wipe it down really good. Just get that clean. A nice damp cloth is all. Just clean that area. Make sure you clean down here on the bottom. It's got a little wear and tear, but anyways, I think I've had it for a couple years now. The new blush color is now out for the curve, but I have to see that one. I had the rose gold, and you can see my daughter actually has the purple head on hers. But anyway, so pop that off, and then I used to have the rose gold, so I have the old rose gold head. You can see how the bristles start sticking out. That you don't want to use it when it's like that. Okay, so I'm gonna pop that head on there, and then I'm just gonna use like a sample of the toothpaste that I got. You get these from your dentist, and they're just nationally known brands, and just a little too abrasive for my taste. Anybody that has gum recession, so you can Google abrasivity of toothpaste. Just Google RDA of toothpaste, relative dentin abrasivity. But anyways, I was looking at my jewelry box, and I noticed that I had my bracelet that I got at BURSTCON. Burst has a convention used to be every year, now every 2 years, but this is the coordinates of our convention in Savannah, Georgia. It was really cool. After we did our scavenger hunt, everybody that completed it got one of these bracelets as just a memory. And so I looked at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so tarnished. So I did clean it this morning. I tried to clean it. Look, it was just like this, terrible. So this is the after side, but just to show y'all that I used what I used. Sometimes I'll clean my jewelry with the burst. So go ahead and put a little bit of the more abrasive toothpaste on here. I do love the Burst charcoal toothpaste myself. It's coconut salt flavor. It doesn't interfere with if you brush your teeth, which you ideally the first thing when you get up, drink something, rinse, brush your teeth. This doesn't interfere with the taste of your foods. Like some of the other ones, the whitening gel is really minty and fresh, and this one is too, but it doesn't interfere with that taste. So anyway, I have the little bracelet here, and I'm just going to go with my brush on the whitening mode, and I'm just going to apply it here just to the bracelet like so. I'm just going to turn it on by pressing the button one time. You can toggle through the different modes. It's got whitening, sensitive, and massage. I'm going to go with the whitening. Anyway, so just going to kind of start here, and just wanted to kind of talk a little bit while I did this. Not so much about Burst, but I wanted to come in and talk anyways about the fires in California. So Burst co-founder Hamish Kite, he came from Great Britain, and he wanted to invent an affordable, amazing toothbrush. And since the other sonic patents were out, he took that and he kind of tweaked it, and these amazing bristles were created that have super tapered bristles, and they're just very good. So anyways, just listen to a video of the other co-founder, Brittany Stewart, and she was talking about how she had left California for Las Vegas to get away from the fires, and just kind of grabbed everything and went. But I have to share some of the amazing things that Burst is doing in the wake of this tragedy. And one thing that was just blew me away is the ambassadors have a charity mode on their account. So what that means is any recommendations that we make and we have the charity mode on, those credits go towards charities that Burst contributes to. So they decided to cash out their charity fund and to donate they found out that the fire station in Eaton had lost power. And so they went and bought a commercial, see how that's looking. They went and bought a commercial generator, paid a moving company to, and arranged for the police to let them through the barricade. Moving company to transport, I'm getting chills right now, transport this commercial generator to the firehouse in Eaton and get the power back on. And it has enough power for 18 hours at a time. So there's that, and also another one of the fires went to the local, I don't know if it was Costco or whatever, I think they said, and purchased necessities for the other place. They just needed lip balm, face wipe, just different things, necessities, and just pretty much bought the whole warehouse out of the items and got them to the location. But the generator was from the Ambassador Charity Mode. So that is part of the reason that I recommend Burst is the community. It's just like my Subaru, the charity that they contribute to, the animals, the kids. Burst is the same way. They are very ecology, earth friendly. They try to help where they can. So anyway, this is how my bracelet turned out. I've got amazing memories in Savannah, Georgia, and yeah, it's a great company. It's an American company, and there's about 6,000. Well, there's over 40,000 ambassadors, but there's a core group of 1,000 to 6,000, at least 1,000 that are active in making content videos like I do, and even that go into, they provided oral care for, and been active in California in the YMCA there, and they provided kids and families with oral care and toothbrushes and just all kind of things. So just wanted to share that. I'm praying for the people in California and hope Brittany family can get back to their house soon. I know that, personally, they had a friend whose son's school burned down, and just praying for everybody in California, and just wanted to thank Burst for being there and helping people in this tragedy. So anyway, hope you have a good day, and just a little tip to use your old brush heads. You do want to keep those in the mail at least every 3 months. And that way you get your lifetime warranty on your Burst. My first one lasted about 4 years, but this motor is going to wear out eventually, and you're going to want to keep your oral health up so that way you don't forget your brush heads. And then I'm going to be turning my Burst account back onto charity mode. So if you want to help to fund causes such as the one Burst did with the generator, if it's time for you to get anything, brush, floss, water, anything, the white strips are on sale, the freshening ones for like a few dollars a piece. So with my code, which is deal. So if you want to get any of that, this is a good time because I'm about to flip my account on charity mode. Anyways, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.